The HexClad hybrid nonstick pizza steel delivers crisp, well-browned crusts that rival a good pizzeria, thanks to its thick steel body and highly conductive core. Its hybrid surface, combining stainless steel with a ceramic-based nonstick layer, releases pizza and flatbreads cleanly while still allowing a proper sear on the bottom. The tri-ply construction with an aluminum core spreads heat evenly across the 14-inch cooking area, so you do not end up with hot spots or pale patches. Because it is engineered to handle extremely high oven and grill temperatures, it works just as well on a backyard barbecue as it does in a home oven. The piece is surprisingly easy to live with for something this heavy-duty, since it tolerates metal tools, goes in the dishwasher, and does not demand the babying that traditional pizza stones often need. Its generous diameter with integrated handles and the backing of a long-term manufacturer warranty make it feel like a serious, long-lasting upgrade for anyone who bakes pizza regularly.